Alright guys, in today's video we'll be showing you how I go from this to this just by spending 60 bucks, guys. Alright guys, so we're on our way actually to meet somebody that I contacted on Facebook, not Facebook, Craigslist. I'm actually gonna buy the driver's side fender. I'm gonna show you the messages. This guy is super cool, bro. He's super funny, but yeah, he went. He told me he was going to court. He was going to court to pay a speeding ticket, and I'm just like, bruh. Anyways, we're like 10 minutes away, and I'm with my wife and kids. She's actually the one that's gonna record the interaction, but I'll see you guys soon in a bit. All right.
It's a really pretty day.
Yeah, it's beautiful outside today, guys.
It's hot as
Yeah, it's really
crap.
It's really hot. That's safe though.
But it's really nice, yeah.
Yeah, dude, I was out there at that auction looking at like 3 vehicles, and like I was pouring sweat, dude. We're actually gonna go find a place around here to come eat and stuff. But it looks really nice in this area. Wow.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can get a good deal on the little fender. I'll see how much he wants for it. But yeah, guys. All right, guys, we just made it over here. There's the guy right there. That's the G35. And let's meet the guy. Alright guys, well as you can see, this car looks just like mine. It even has the same amount of clear coat damage on the roof. But the fenders look nice. Look at this fender right here, guys. I'm gonna see how much he wants for this. Let's go meet the guy right now. Well, what happened, bro? How come we like parting out your car, dude?
Blew an engine.
Are you racing somebody or what?
Yeah, no, I actually went to Salmosa at the tuning shop over here in Houston, and I had it tuned out to where the replica was set at 8500.
Oh, dude, that's
and
crazy, man.
I revved it out while we were on the highway up in Earth Tree, and this is my Mary, 2 broken rods, and
Jesus, this guy. How many rods? 3 bent rods?
3 bent rods and 2 broke rods.
Jesus Christ. Well, how much do you want for your fender, man?
60. 60, 75.
I think 60 is a good. I think 60 is good. Yeah, 60 is actually cheap, guys, because if you just get the fender alone and order it on eBay, it's gonna be like 50 bucks. But the painting is the expensive part. This one's already painted. All I gotta do is, take off and put on. So I believe I'm getting a good deal, 60 bucks. It's not bad. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna see if my wife wants to record me like taking off the fender right here with this guy, or if not, I'll just edit out when we're over there back at the car. Completely off now. Hold on, I got it. This guy. This is butterfly knife. Look, guys, I'm like drenched in sweat. Look at this. It's so hot out here, man. Oh, we're actually gonna go get ice cream or something because it's hot. But yeah, guys, look, the fender's already off. Alright guys, and today I'm going to be replacing the fender for this G35 right here. Yeah, I will be replacing the fender today on this one. I'm going to see if I can get the headlights polished, and I'm going to get the car detailed so I can post it online and sell it already. Alright guys, I'm actually going to be taking off the bumper off of this one and slapping it on this one, so I can sell this one first. Once I make money off of this one, I'm gonna start dumping in money onto this one. So I'm just being smart about it. But yeah, the interior's already done. You guys can check it out. Boom. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just gonna hit it with some degreaser to take off some of the stains, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'll be replacing this right here. Oh, here's the fender, and this right here, I'm gonna see if I can get it like touched up a bit. You know, you could just spray paint this a little bit, obviously with good quality paint, you know. But this part I'm gonna replace this, and I'm gonna see if I can get some tires for this. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in a bit. I'm gonna do a time lapse on me replacing the fender. Guys, I was able to get the fender off. Yeah, the car's running, but this is how the engine bay looks, guys. You know, just your typical, you know, this is car 2005, your typical 14-year-old engine bay. You know, I'm gonna pressure wash the engine so it could look nice. But yeah, this is a before, guys. I'm about to show y'all the after. But yeah. All right, guys, I'm about to put on the fender. I already put all the clips on this one. It's about to be slapped on. Yeah, guys, I'm about to slap on this fender. I already got all the trim pieces off. And just bolt right on. I'm about to do a time lapse. All right. I got the fender on already. There you go, guys. This car's coming out nice now. It looks really, really nice. Oh, Jesus Christ. Look at that big ass spider, dude. Oh my God. That thing's huge. Yo, we gotta burn the whole building down, guys. Look at that super big spider. I'm gonna put this bumper on here and then this bumper over here. So I'm about to do a time lapse of me removing this bumper and slapping it back on. See you guys. Alright guys, I'm actually gonna end the video there. I don't want it to get too long, but here's a short clip of me getting the tires put on this car. This is gonna be for next episode. Y'all stay tuned, alright?